I was looking like a fool when I met ya, all covered up in the dirt from my past. So insecure by myself when I met ya. Won't you give me any warning? I've been thinking about you day and night and day and night. To be honest, I just don't know what to do next.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. I'm so excited that you decided to join me for today's video. Now today I am doing, if you couldn't tell by the title, a master bedroom clean with me. My bedroom needed it. I've said it before, it's the most neglected room in the house. So I wanted to go ahead and take this day to tackle it, clean my carpets, get everything nice and fresh again. So let's go ahead and get on into the video.
Making me so sure in a heartbeat, all of my doubts disappearing at last. You made me fall without saying a sentence. Won't you give me any warning? I've been thinking about you day and night and day and night. To be honest, I just don't know what to do next. 'Cause I'm the one with a broken heart.
Now I do try and vacuum my headboard often. You would be shocked at how much dust actually comes off of the top of the headboard. My vacuum was empty, so it doesn't look like a ton, but for just being a headboard, I feel like that is a lot of dust. And especially since I suffer from allergies, any amount of this dust kind of messes with my allergies. So I like giving that a thorough cleaning. And then I also use my Dyson vacuum with the a smaller attachment to clean off my lampshades, and that pulls the dust out of the shades really well as well.
I know it isn't logical, that something that you do to me is chemical. I know it isn't logical, something that you do to me. I'm the one with a broken heart, waiting for you to come out and save me. I'm a mess, need to untangle, and I'm a fool for you, baby. Fool for you, baby. Waiting for you to come out and save me. Fool for you.
Now while I was dusting, I noticed that this fan looked so bad. It was so dusty, especially on the back. You can tell the top is, which was expected, but this, when I saw this, I knew I immediately needed to get it cleaned. So I did go ahead and take my Dyson to it with an attachment, and it worked so good. And honestly, I think the fan even works better now, which totally would make sense because it was coated in dust, as you see. Now, I did go ahead and decide to just use my spare set of sheets and my extra duvet on my bed instead of waiting for everything to finish in the laundry, and that was more of a time thing. As you guys know, my husband does work graveyard, and he needs to go to bed at a decent time, so I wanted to make sure that everything was ready for him for when he would be going to bed. And I actually am kind of digging the dark look again, especially with the cream headboard, so I may end up leaving the dark duvet cover on for the fall and winter. I haven't really decided yet. I may switch between them. We will see what happens.
Nobody loves me better. Guess I'm just too scared to settle down. There'd be many nights I got too high and almost left town. But there's something about you, something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better, yeah. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. I know that we would never work. I know that someone would get hurt. I think I have to let you go. Should be easy, but it's not. Cause the problem is I love you. What to do? I count to 3 when you're next to me. I love you. What to do now? Do now. Only problem is I love you. What to do? You got me bound, make my world spin round. I love you. What to do now? I want you. Stuck inside my head. Oh, I can't stop thinking about all the words you said. I think I have to let you go. Should be easy, but it's not. Only problem is I love you. What to do? You got me bound, make my world spin round. I love you. What to do now? Do now. Only problem is I love you so damn much. Every word you say, every time we touch. I love you now. I want you. 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 Just wanna let you know, behind the mirrors and all that smoke, promises and alibis, I don't believe, told me you would change my world, now I know what you are worth, gone and lost your hold on me, I don't believe, had me acting like a fool, to no use, got me wondering why you you're giving me nothing, a whole lot of nothing, baby. Would've settled for something, but I'm giving in with the waiting. For your darling a zero, no hint of a hero. Now you're selling me stories, but I don't believe you.
Now, I wasn't lying when I said I have been slacking on our room. Look at all of this that was pulled out. I know a ton of it is dog hair because we do have 2 dogs, but it was still pretty gross that all of that was in the carpet. Now, I had not carpet cleaned my room in a while, and I am always so terrified that my house is going to smell like dogs, and so I like trying to stay on top of it. And I recently have been using a new mixture where I just use a little bit of hydrogen peroxide blued on dish soap, and I'll add fabric softener in sometimes in order to give it like the carpet softer and make it smell a little bit better, and it has been working so good. So I make sure I do this at least once a month, in our bedroom at least, because our bedroom doesn't need it as often. Sometimes I'll skip and go like 5 or 6 weeks, but I definitely needed it this week, and I am super happy with the results. Everything looks brand spanking new again.
I do believe it. Still you're giving me nothing, a whole lot of nothing, baby. Would've settled for something, but I'm giving in with the waiting. For your darling a zero, no hint of a hero. Now you're selling me stories, but I don't believe you.
What you think about me, and I know I shouldn't care. I really tried my best, but I can't make you happy, and I can't stop time for you. I don't know why we couldn't work this out, because you know I tried the best I could. I don't know how or what I could have done better. Baby, I really tried the best I could. I can't stop time for you. I can't stop time for you.
But that wraps up today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. And if you are new, I would love for you to take a minute, subscribe to my channel. I post tons of cleaning content. I do next week have my fall videos coming out with the decorating for fall, and I'm super excited for it. I got some new stuff this year, and I can't wait to show you guys. That is it for today's video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.
We couldn't work this out because you know I tried the best I could. The best I could. I can't stop time for you.